Hey ladies, I just took those braids out of my head. I think I had them in for 3 months. Oh, I just literally took it out. So I needed to detangle. I'm gonna deep condition, shampoo, and I'm gonna see what else I'm gonna do. I'm gonna deep condition it with this. I only have a little bit left because I've been using it on my kids' hair. But I'm gonna use this, keep it in for an hour, wash it out. And I don't have any like adult shampoo, so I'm just gonna use this Curly Kids shampoo, and then like, yeah, I'll be back. So I'm back. It's been a couple hours. I put my hair in some little, they're kind of messy, but some messy mini twists. And I'm gonna leave them in. I don't know how long I'm gonna leave them in. They're gonna be in for a while. If I can do 4 weeks, I'll do 4 weeks, but at least 2 weeks, I know that, so, but yeah. I'm not sure what I want to moisturize them with just yet. I don't think I want to put any water-based moisturizer on it. So I might just use like coconut oil and black Jamaican castor oil when I need to moisturize them. And that's about it. But just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the protective style I'm going to wear for September. And yeah, so don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll holler at you later. Bye.